way more snow. So much. I think we had like 12 centimetres the other day. I haven't been recording for a bit, so that stuff has been preloaded. But yeah, so much snow. Very, very, very nice. So what's been happening? I played a pool tournament last Monday, and it's like when the stays on, and whoever wins the most games gets a prize at the end. So me and Jack played together in doubles, managed to win $25 at Sam's, and then I played the second week with my partner that I was with. Couldn't hit a ball this time. I wasn't really very good, but we still came second, so that's quite cool. I think we won like 3 or 4 in a row. The winner that week at 7, so no voucher second week. Lessons has been good. Sold a ton of privates, which was nice. That snowboard was sick. Look at that. We've got like 10 days to Loch Park course, and you have 3 days off, so I do plan to just live in the park for those 3 days and just get down what I need to get down. I was with Liz yesterday, who sort of helped out with the whole back ones and landing on the toes, so we need to do some more of that. Some jumps, and I built more jumps in the park as well, so that's good. So instead of hitting 2, I can now hit 4 per run, which is fantastic. What else has been going on? Went for some drinks yesterday, that was interesting. After work, actually, sorry, not yesterday, the day before, went out for drinks with Connie and John. Actually, the day before that, I went out for drinks with John. Jesus, every day after work now, I'm just getting hammered. Yeah, I went for drinks with John, so that was cool. I'm going to try and see if we can help him with his snowboard level 2, so do some practice for that. And then the following day we went out with John, Connie and Ben, so that was interesting to get a different perspective, especially from like people who've been here for like more seasons, and from our older point of view. My hand is starting to freeze now because I don't have gloves, because I didn't snowboard home. So that's fun. And then yesterday I just went out with some of the other people from ski school, which was cool. Everyone has very interesting stories, which is there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes here, should we say. But yeah, selling ski lessons, selling thingy lessons. That's Han, who's I'm going to be riding with, and then she just rode straight past me. I bet you should get on the lift as well. Oh well. We'll see. Yeah. More people.